Welcome back to Resort Tech. Today I've got something special for you, a full, deep dive review of the Avani plus Riverside Bangkok Hotel. First, make sure to subscribe to our channel for resort tour and booking tips. This is one of those hotels that constantly pops up on Best Rooftop Pools in Bangkok lists. As you arrive, the property doesn't scream palace luxury like some of the ultra-traditional riverside hotels in Bangkok. Instead, it's all about a sleek, modern aesthetic. Lots of glass, light wood, open spaces. It feels more like a chic urban retreat than a grand heritage hotel. The entrance is attached to Riverside Plaza, a shopping mall, which is surprisingly handy. Whether you want a quick coffee, some Thai street-style food, or just a pharmacy stop, having a mall right there is a lifesaver, especially if you don't want to head into Bangkok traffic. Now, one unique detail is that check-in doesn't happen on the ground floor. You head up to the 11th floor, where the main lobby is located. And honestly, this lobby makes a strong first impression. You step out of the elevator, and boom, massive floor-to-ceiling windows looking out over the river. The ceilings are high, the space is filled with natural light, and the design feels minimalist but warm. Not over-decorated but stylish in a way that feels intentional. Alright, let's move on to the rooms, because this is where most people really care when booking a hotel. Avani plus Riverside has a few categories, starting from Riverview rooms, panorama rooms, skyline rooms, and then junior suites. What ties them all together is a bright, fresh, contemporary design. The rooms are decorated in light, neutral tones, with lots of wood and clean lines, so it never feels heavy or dated. Honestly, it's a breath of fresh air compared to some older riverside hotels that haven't updated in years. The highlight in almost every room: the view. The windows are huge, and you either get a sweeping panorama of the Chao Phraya River with all the boat traffic, or a skyline view that lights up beautifully at night. And trust me, watching the sunrise or sunset from your bed here is one of those experiences that stays with you. Room sizes vary, of course. Standard Riverview rooms are a bit compact by Bangkok Riverside standards, but still well laid out. If you want more breathing space, the junior suites are the sweet spot. More square footage, a little lounge area, and bigger bathrooms. Some rooms feature sliding doors that separate the bathroom from the bedroom, so you can either open it up for an airy feel, or close it for privacy. Bathrooms themselves are modern, with rainfall showers, strong water pressure, and good amenities. On the practical side, you've got everything you'd expect: a safe, minibar, coffee and tea set, closet space, and USB charging ports. It's not over the luxury with gold trimmings, but it's thoughtfully designed, functional, and clean. And for me, that balance works really well. A few guests do mention that soundproofing could be better in certain rooms, but personally, I found it acceptable. So who is Avani plus Riverside perfect for? I'd say it's ideal for couples looking for a romantic city stay, solo travelers who want a stylish base with great views, or small families who want comfort and convenience without the chaos of central Bangkok. It's also a fantastic choice if you're the kind of traveler who loves spending time in the hotel itself, lounging by the pool, enjoying rooftop drinks, soaking in the views. If you're someone who just needs a crash pad near the temples, this might not be your first pick, but if the hotel experience itself matters to you, this is one of the best bang for your buck options along the river. The fitness center is solid, not massive, but modern, and equipped with everything you need for a decent workout. Cardio machines, free weights, and a few strength machines. There's also a spa where you can book massages or treatments, which is great if you want a relaxing day in. Now moving on to what I think is the star attraction of Avani plus Riverside, the 26th floor rooftop infinity pool. If you've seen photos online, they don't lie. This pool is one of the best in the city. It stretches along the edge with completely unobstructed views of the river and skyline. In the daytime you can chill on the lounges and watch the boats drifting along below. At night, the entire city lights up around you, and the vibe is completely different, more romantic, more cinematic. It's the kind of pool you'll want to spend at least a couple of hours in, no matter how busy your itinerary is. Right next to the pool is Scene Restaurant and Bar, a rooftop hotspot not just for guests, but also for locals and visitors. It's trendy, it's lively, and it has one of the best sunset vantage points in Bangkok. Drinks are on the pricier side, but for the atmosphere and the view, I'd say it's worth it at least once during your stay. Even if you don't want to splurge on cocktails, just heading up there to watch the sunset is an experience. For dining throughout the day, the Skyline restaurant on a lower floor is where you'll find the breakfast buffet, and it's excellent. Lots of variety, from Thai favorites to international options, and the freshness and quality are consistently praised. One of my favorite touches is that the breakfast area also has panoramic windows, so even your morning coffee comes with a view. Down in the lobby area, there's also a cafe for lighter bites, and don't forget, if you want something fast or affordable, the mall next door has everything from Thai street food to Western fast food chains. But here's where things get really interesting, and it's something a lot of people don't realize. Staying at Avani plus Riverside gives you access to certain facilities at the neighboring AVANIi Riverside Bangkok Resort. The two properties are connected, and this opens up a whole new world of options. From the AVANIi side, you can hop on their shuttle boat that takes you directly to Icon Siam, Bangkok's luxury shopping mall. This makes shopping, dining, or just exploring Icon Siam so much easier, and you get to enjoy a free river ride along the way. Honestly, the shuttle boat experience itself is part of the charm of staying riverside in Bangkok. At AVANIi, you'll find a more traditional Thai resort atmosphere, with lush tropical gardens, riverside dining, and that classic resort feel. As an Avani Plus guest, you can dine at AVANIi's restaurants, and that's a huge bonus, because they have some of the best riverside dining in Bangkok. Think romantic dinners by the water, or enjoying Thai specialties in a more serene garden-like environment. It really expands your dining choices without needing to leave the area. To wrap it up, Avani plus Riverside Bangkok delivers on its promise of modern style, incredible views, and a relaxing riverside vibe. But overall, this is a hotel I would absolutely return to, so that's my full, detailed review of the Avani plus Riverside Bangkok Hotel. If you've stayed here before, let me know your experience in the comments below. Did you love the rooftop pool as much as I did? And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more in-depth hotel reviews from around the world.